Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of a Canon Pixma MG7750. This is nice and simple. It can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. So we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already there, there'll be a home icon you can press to be taken here. So we drag the screen along to the right and we need to go into setup. And from this menu, we go past maintenance until we get to estimated ink levels. And if we press to go into there, you'll have a visual representation of black, grey, yellow, photo black, cyan, magenta, and how much ink your printer thinks it has in each of those tanks. Now, if you're looking for this screen due to a print quality issue you're experiencing and you're looking to troubleshoot it, any kind of missing colours or stripes or anything are unlikely to be down to the cartridges themselves, which are just essentially pots of ink. The printer itself uses like a mechanical print head which sprays the ink down onto the page, and a blockage on that is most likely to be the cause of any print quality issues, not the amount of ink in the cartridges. And if you're looking to improve your print quality, you might want to check out a video on test pages and cleaning cycles. If you're in any doubt as to which cartridges you need for your printer, you can click that thing on the bottom right, and you've got here all of the various codes for the different cartridges your printer uses. If it mentions XL on there, that just means it's an extra large cartridge, and the ones without are the standard capacity. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.